Hi everyone, so we are here now at Port Orleans French Quarter where we booked a king bedroom, so we did not know what view we were going to get.
Yeah, because when you book a king bed, you just get a king bed somewhere. So we got really lucky and we have a water view here, which is really cool because it's really pretty here at French Quarter. So really happy to have this water view, and I'll show you guys what it looks like here. So right over here you can see we've got a perfect view of the water. Now we are in building 6. So we're all the way on one end of French Quarter. I guess 7 is over there next to us as well. But this gives us a really great view of the water. There are boats that come through here. However, the dock is not by us, so we don't really have the boats blowing the horn or anything like that. So it's been really nice, kind of peaceful out here. You do have the boats troll by every now and then, but if you were on the buildings on the other side by the dock, you may have a little bit of noise from the horn. But even when we stayed over there, we didn't notice it too bad. So yeah, we got lucky and got this water view. But let's go and check out the inside of the room. And that's what you guys actually want to see. So these rooms have been recently remodeled. They did finish those up around the beginning of this year, end of last. So all of these rooms have a lot of the remodeled features you've seen in many of the resorts, such as the hard floors, and the under the bed storage space, which is really handy because there's really no closet or anything to put your suitcases in. So you got the extra space for your luggage there. When you do first come in, there is a small table and chairs, and because we are in French Quarter, we are in New Orleans, you must have Mardi Gras beads when you stay here. And they put them in the shape of a Mickey head. How cute is that? So we love finding those when we come in here. It's a fun little treat that they have. And as we were looking through the room, we noticed another detail here is these chairs. If you look at the pattern on the cushion, it looks like just a kind of festive pattern, but then you'll realize that is a lily pad with a frog jumping off of it. Just a little bit of a hint towards the Princess and the Frog theming that you've got going on here. There's a few little nods to them here throughout the room, so that's a really fun little thing. You'll also notice that the curtains over here on the windows, as well as the curtain dividing the bathroom from the rest of the room, are Mardi Gras beads. So that's a fun little way they did beaded curtains without having to make actual beaded curtains. So here in the middle, you do have 3 very, very large drawers, as well as a door that has the mini fridge behind it. So you've got your mini fridge storage in there. And each of these little knobs on the drawers has this cool little lion head on it. I think that's like the most awesome looking thing. It definitely fits with the theming and it just looks really cool. Up on top, they give you a single serve coffee maker. So you've got the coffee there you can make in your room, as well as of course your ice bucket and things like that. And this dresser has 2 of the outlets with the USBs in it. So you've got some space up here for charging your devices. And then like we said, we had a king bed that we booked in here. So we do have that, which is awesome. Most of these rooms have 2 queens, but a few of them do have kings. And then on either side of the bed, they have a little nightstand with, again, a USB outlet and 2 regular outlets. They also have these cool lights up above the bed that have this kind of pattern in it there. So you can see, you got little decorative things on the lampshades as well. One other thing we were surprised about here in these rooms is they actually do still have ceiling fans. Most of the resorts have gotten rid of ceiling fans, but these still have them. This piece of art here on the wall we did not have in our other rooms here at French Quarter, and apparently it is an invitation to some kind of ball. I cannot read what that says, but some kind of ball, music and drama, 1887. And yeah, it's actually like a framed shadow box invitation. So I have no idea what's up with that, but it looks really cool and definitely fits with the theming in here. On the right-hand side, you've got your little bench you can sit on there and store some things underneath or on top of. And more importantly, above it, you have a coat rack with little hidden Mickeys in the wood. We love that. It's a fun little piece they decided to stick in there. And then on this wall over here, there is a painting of New Orleans, which kind of reminds us of something that would maybe be here at Disney World, because you have the ferry boat back there that looks a little bit like the Liberty Bell, and this bridge kind of reminds me of the bridge you go under in Pirates, and that kind of looks like Haunted Mansion from Disneyland. Like, you've got kind of the whole, all the little nods, it seems like, to some of the Disney attractions, but very much just supposed to be a fun fun painting of New Orleans and French Quarter. And I think, not positive, but I think those lily pads right there may be a hidden Mickey. Hard to tell because that one ear doesn't seem to be super connected, but we're thinking probably hidden Mickey on that one. Hard to say, but we're gonna go with it. And then here in the bathroom, like I said, the curtain that separates the bathroom area is Mardi Gras beads without being actual beads, because that would be incredibly annoying and wouldn't do much for blocking the light. And then over here you have your closet area with the safe on the wall. And then you've got the vanity. You have a double vanity in here with a good amount of counter space on it. You also have the extra shelf up above the vanity where you can store things. So you've got a good amount of space here for all of your toiletries and such. They did put lights above the mirror as well as backlighting behind the mirror. So there is a good amount of light here in this bathroom for when you are getting ready in the mornings. And then over here to the left is where they have the shower and tub as well as the toilet. Now the shower and tub does have this really cool new shower head on it, and it does not have the detachable shower head like many of them do have. And then they also have the large bottled amenities here in the shower. And then the shower curtain, we're gonna point out one last little detail. You'll see here they have a couple frogs kissing, which would be Tiana and Naveen, and then you have little frog with the crown on. So they've got the Princess and the Frog theme running throughout here, and we just think it's adorable, really cute that they have that there. So that is all we've got here in this room. It is again a king room here at Port Orleans French Quarter, and this is a bookable category that you can get any view, but you are guaranteed to have a king bed if you book this room. We hope you enjoyed that walkthrough. We love it here at French Quarter, and we hope you do too. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like, drop any questions or comments down below, and we'll get back to you on those as soon as we can. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you know when we have more of these videos coming out, because we've got a ton on there and a bunch more coming.
Yep, and if you want to know even more information about the Walt Disney World Resorts, be sure to check out our website herewiththears.com. We've got a lot of information on there and a lot more coming. And until next time,
we're here with the ears.